ready to run with the stars dahil on May 30, magaganap ang first ever Sparkle Run. Lumagda ng Memorandum of Agreement para rito sina GMA Network Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez, Sparkle GMA Artist Center First Vice President Joy Marcelo, Run Rio President and CEO Coach Rio de la Cruz, at Manila City Mayor Isko Moreno.
Gusto natin kasi i-promote rin ang health and wellness. And excited kami to show sa mga tao na we have to take care of our health. And I'm very happy na kapartner natin dito ang City of Manila.
We are very happy with this partnership, no, kasi syempre yung running ngayon ay talagang very popular, and gusto pa nating mas may ma-reach out tayo ng mga kabataan, mga kababayan natin na gustong magkaroon ng healthy lifestyle.
Bukod sa health benefits, layon din ang race na makapagturo ng kaunting lessons in history ng ating bansa. Iikot ang race route sa iba't ibang iconic at historical landmarks sa Maynila.
Manila is a very old city, but it has a lot of story to tell. It's opportunity also for the younger generation to be reminded ng mga naganap at makasaysayang lugar.
Kaya excited na ang mga Sparkle Star Runners. Kabilang na si 24 Oras Game Changer segment host Martin Javier, Christopher Martin, Royce Cabrera, Ira Lopez at Mikey Quintos.
My go-to is my headphones. Di mawawala yun kasi it sets the mood. And of course, your water.
You always have to have your shoes, your gear, your clothes, kung saan ka komportable during race day.
Pinaka-importante talaga before ka sumabak sa any activity talaga kailangan mo mag-warm up kasi mapaprone ka sa injury.